Sir, welcome to the Chaudhary Juice Center of Nanded. Please come in, sir. Have a seat, sir. What's your order, sir? This is a menu card. Choose your filler.
So do you have pineapple juice, mixed juice, anjeer juice? You have all kind of varieties. You have all kind of juice, right? But I need pineapple juice.
Okay, sir. What do you like? Ice in it.
So when an executive asks you what kind of things you want, so he asks you, would you like ice in it? It means he wants you to put the ice in your juice. If you want juice, so you can just say, yeah, I would like you to put the ice in the juice. And he can also ask you, what else would you like? So you can just say, I do not want anything apart from this. And if you want something else, you can just say, I want this, I would like to have this, right? Like I would like to have the pineapple juice, I would like to have mixed juice. Since we are at the juice center, so we have to talk about the juice. And shopkeeper can give you response like, we have this and we don't have this. So accordingly, you have to select what you want. And sometimes it happens you might have the messy table, so you can just say, sir, please clean the table before you bring the order. And if you want to ask for the rate, if you want to ask for the price, you can just say, how much is this and how much does it cost, how much is this, or what's the total. You can ask in many different ways. And if you want to pay online, you can just say, do you accept UPI, do you accept online payment, like do you have a scanner and all. You can just say like these things. If you want to pay in cash, you can just say, do you accept cash? So this was the thing you have learned, how you can order at the juice center, like how you can order juice, like different things at the juice center, and you can pay online. Or if you have cash, how can you talk about the cash? So this was the thing is, if you like the video, what you have to do, you just hit the like button. If you don't understand anything, you just have to let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.